Hello viewers, a lot of users were actually planning to buy tablets during Republic Day sale, but unfortunately the price of each and every tablet is on the higher side. At this moment, many people don't actually know the best price of each and every tablet, so already many people have bought many tablets, but I think this is not the right time to buy any tablet. For example, iPad 11th generation is selling at a price point of 32,000 rupees after discount, whereas the price should have been at least 28 to 29,000 rupees. So if you are planning to buy iPad 11th generation, this is not the right time for you. Similarly, the price of Tab S10 FE Plus is on the higher side. If you get this tablet to buy at around 41,000 rupees, you can buy. Otherwise, you should wait for another sale to come. If you buy above 42,000 price point, in that case, you are paying the higher price. By paying the same amount, you can buy Oneplus tablet or you can buy iPad Air M3 whenever it will be on sale. During Amazon Great Indian Festival, many people bought iPad Air M3 at a price point of 42 to 43,000 rupees, but currently the price of this iPad is on the higher side. It is selling at a price point of 48,500 rupees after discount. So I think you should wait till another sale when the price will come down. At present, I will not recommend you to buy iPad Air M3 at 48,000 rupees, which is a hefty amount. Similarly, the price of newly launched tablets such as Oneplus Pad Lite is also on the higher side. The best price for Oneplus Pad Lite 128GB is around 11,000. Currently, the price of 6GB RAM is around 12,000 rupees. If you have urgency, you can buy this at 12,000 rupees, but I think the price will definitely decrease in the next sale. Similarly, the price of other newly launched tablets like Realme Pad 2 Pro and also OnePlus Pad Go 2 is on the higher side. So in the conclusion, you should wait till another sale. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you have already bought any tablet or iPad in this sale or not. Feel free to share your thoughts, and if you have any questions you can ask me. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.